Student loan payments are starting back up soon, and there's a lot to unpack there. From servicer changes to negotiating lower monthly payments, you need to start preparing today. In today's 8 on Your Side, we take a look at everything you need to do. 2/3 of student loan borrowers are women, which means out of the 36 million people going back into repayment, about 22 million of them are women, including 24-year-old Caitlin Cipriano.
And I definitely am stressed about that. I think just with inflation and the rising cost of interest, it's really hard to save money right now.
She's got both private and federal loans, which means she'll be making additional payments come October.
So I've been looking at the studentaid.gov, just looking at the plans that they have and support. So I'm looking into doing what's an income-driven repayment plan, and just trying to get as much information as I can.
Don't wait until the bill shows up in the mail.
Jack Wallace of Y-Refi says everyone should be proactive like Caitlin. The pause on payments that started in March of 2020 ends at the end of August. Interest begins accruing in September. First payments due in October. Wallace says you need to reach out to your student loan servicer as soon as possible, as you'll have to reauthorize the automatic debit from your accounts to pay your loan.
Because a lot of the servicers have changed since people last made a payment.
If you're interested in lowering your monthly payments, borrowers need to submit some paperwork. You'll need to go to studentaid.gov.
And that's where they can go and find out about repayment programs that they may qualify for that will lower their monthly payment.
Caitlin says she'll manage as best as she can and make adjustments to her monthly budget accordingly.
So I just paid my car off, and of course I would love to get a car and upgrade, but I think I'm going to wait until I become comfortable with that new payment with the federal student loan.
Wise choice, Caitlin. Wallace says the Department of Education is going to be very consumer friendly for the first year that repayments kick back in. He says the department will wait up to 12 months to report borrowers to the credit bureau if they are late on payments.